Yo, what is good, everybody on the World Wide Web? It's your boy DJ Hinton, and today I'm be doing an unboxing on this 27-inch iMac behind me. So I haven't uploaded a video in about almost 2 years now. So from this point out, I promise I'll be uploading a video at least once a week, maybe twice a week, depending on my schedule. But now that I got this behind me, I'll definitely have something to edit my videos, like on the spot, like real fast, and upload them. So let me stop talking, get this camera set up, and then we're going to get this thing unboxed. All right. That was a fail. All right. So the first thing you see when you open the box is, I guess this is the keyboard. I don't know if this is going to focus. Yeah, all it really says is designed by Apple in California. There you go. So I'm guessing this is the keyboard. And I'll put that right here. The next thing is the iMac itself. So I'm gonna put this on the floor and I'm gonna bring it out. So there was nothing else in the box. Everything is just like tied into this. So behind me here, I have like a pouch that I can open up. And this is the plug. If I turn this around, we have the iMac itself. Voila. And just get this. Where was the mouse? Okay. Alright, so let me pick this up. So as far as what comes in the box, it's not really much. It's the plug for the wall. I think it's called like the AC adapter. This box, I guess, I know for sure the keyboard is in here, but I guess the mouse is in here as well because I can't find it anywhere else. And I guess we're just gonna do this unbagging with y'all. so I can get a first look. I think there's some more tape on the back. Hold up, let me check. So there's some tape on this. Yeah, some more tape. Let me put y'all down real quick. Alright, here we go. Finally. Whew. And there's another bag. Wow. Alright. This one's just real simple. Okay, I'm gonna put y'all down and get this off because I kind of need two hands to do this. Alright, so there you have it. iMac is finally unbagged. You can see me recording through the screen. And I guess we can open this little box right here to see if the mouse and the keyboard is in here. So let's see, how do you open this up? Looks like it's a slider. Yep, it just slides right out. Okay, so first point of view. This is actually very difficult trying to do this with one hand. So let me try to switch hands. Okay, I'm gonna have to set this up. Can y'all see it? Yeah, y'all can see it. Alright, so there you go. You got the new 27-inch iMac with the keyboard and the mouse. Alright y'all, it's your boy DJ Hinton. Thanks for tuning into this unboxing. If this video gets 10 likes, maybe I'll do a review, maybe not. But like I said, I'll be uploading every week now that I got this to record, or edit my videos on. So it's your boy DJ Hinton. Make sure you turn on your notifications, subscribe, comment, like, all that stuff. And I'm out. See you next week. Peace.